Did you know that a simple morning habit could be silently increasing your risk of a stroke, especially if you're over the age of 60? Every single day, millions of seniors wake up and unknowingly start their mornings in a way that puts them in harm's way. If you're over 60, this message could save your life or the life of someone you love. Let's talk about the hidden stroke risk lurking in your morning routine and how you can fix it with just a few easy changes. Hello and welcome to Old is Gold, where we bring you life-saving tips and practical health advice to help you age with strength, dignity, and joy. Today, we're diving deep into a critical health issue for seniors: stroke prevention. Let's start by understanding what a stroke is. A stroke happens when the blood flow to a part of your brain is cut off. Without oxygen-rich blood, brain cells begin to die within minutes. There are two main types of stroke: ischemic stroke, caused by a blockage, like a blood clot, and hemorrhagic stroke, caused by bleeding in the brain. Strokes are one of the leading causes of disability and death among seniors, but here's the thing: up to 80% of strokes are preventable with lifestyle changes. And it starts with how you wake up in the morning. So, what's the hidden danger? Getting out of bed too quickly. Yes, it sounds simple. But the truth is, jumping out of bed the moment you wake up can be extremely risky, especially for people over 60. Here's why: when you're sleeping, your blood pressure drops and your heart rate slows down. This is normal. But if you suddenly stand up, your body may not adjust quickly enough. This can cause a sharp drop in blood pressure, called orthostatic hypotension, dizziness or lightheadedness, strain on the blood vessels in your brain, and increased risk of blood clots dislodging. And all of these factors can trigger a stroke. As we age, our bodies don't regulate blood pressure as well. The arteries may become stiffer, the heart may pump a little slower, and the nervous system takes longer to react. This makes sudden changes in posture more dangerous than you might realize. In fact, studies show that many strokes in seniors happen within the first hour after waking. That's because blood is thicker in the morning due to dehydration, blood pressure surges when you wake up, and getting up too fast adds strain to an already vulnerable system. So now that you know what the hidden habit is, let's talk about how to fix it naturally and easily. Here is a safe, senior-friendly morning routine that could dramatically reduce your stroke risk. As soon as you open your eyes, don't sit up right away. Lie still for about 2 to 3 minutes and let your body fully wake up. Take slow, deep breaths. This helps normalize oxygen flow and prepares your nervous system. Before you even move your upper body, start by gently moving your hands, feet, and legs. This improves circulation and prevents blood from pooling in one area. Turn to your side first. Then slowly push yourself up to a sitting position. Sit on the edge of the bed for another 1 to 2 minutes. If you feel dizzy, stop and breathe. Keep a glass or bottle of water by your bed. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps thin the blood and reduces clotting risk. Dehydration makes blood thicker, and thicker blood increases the risk of clot-related strokes. Only stand up once you feel steady. Don't rush. Use a cane, wall, or bed frame for support if needed. This slow process may take 5 extra minutes, but it could save your life. Waking up safely is just one part of the stroke prevention puzzle. Let's go through other powerful ways to protect your brain and heart naturally, without medication. As we age, our thirst mechanism weakens. This leads to dehydration, especially overnight. Sip water regularly, don't wait until you're thirsty. Your diet matters more than ever. Focus on leafy greens like spinach and kale, berries, especially blueberries, walnuts and flax seeds, avocados, salmon and sardines, rich in omega-3s. These foods reduce inflammation and help maintain clear, flexible arteries. Too much salt raises blood pressure. Too much sugar raises inflammation. Avoid processed foods and canned soups. Cook fresh when possible. Even gentle movement can improve circulation and lower stroke risk. Try walking, chair yoga, tai chi, or light dancing. Move at least 20 to 30 minutes a day. Poor sleep increases your risk of hypertension, irregular heartbeat, and stroke. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Keep your sleep routine consistent. High blood pressure is the #1 stroke risk factor. Check your blood pressure regularly. If you're borderline or high, talk to your doctor about natural strategies like reducing stress, magnesium-rich foods, and potassium from bananas and sweet potatoes. Stress raises cortisol, which inflames your blood vessels. Try breathing exercises, prayer, meditation, or simply spending quiet time in nature. Even 10 minutes a day of calmness helps. Knowing the signs of stroke can save lives. Remember the Acronym FAST, face drooping on one side, arm weakness or numbness, speech difficulty or slurring, time to call emergency services. Other symptoms may include sudden confusion, vision changes, dizziness, sudden headache. Don't wait. Stroke treatment is most effective within the first 3 hours. Let me tell you a quick story. George, a 71-year-old retired teacher, thought he was healthy. He walked every evening and never missed breakfast. But every morning, George jumped out of bed quickly to make coffee. He thought staying active was the key. One morning, he stood up too fast, felt dizzy, and fell. Minutes later, he couldn't speak properly. He had suffered a minor stroke. Thankfully, his wife recognized the signs and called for help immediately. George recovered, but he learned a valuable lesson: slow down your mornings. Hydrate. Breathe. Let your body adjust. Now, George takes 5 extra minutes every morning to follow the slow wake-up method. And he's never felt better. Aging doesn't mean giving up control over your health. In fact, now is the time to be more mindful, not less. Stroke can rob you of your independence, your memory, your speech, and your joy. But you can fight back by making simple choices every morning. Wake up slowly. Sit up gently. Hydrate your brain. Nourish your body. Move with purpose. Breathe with calm. Protect your peace. Your brain is the command center of your life. It deserves your care, your attention, and your love. Here's how you can take action today. Put a glass of water by your bed tonight. Practice the 5-minute wake-up tomorrow morning. Share this video with friends or loved ones over 60. Talk to your doctor about your stroke risk. Subscribe to Old is Gold for more life-saving advice. You're not too old to stay strong. You're not too late to protect your brain. And you're not alone. You deserve to wake up feeling safe, steady, and empowered. From all of us at Old is Gold, thank you for watching. Stay healthy. Stay wise. And remember, every day is a gift.